2005 Mercedes G500 W463 chassis side mirror. As you can see, the LCD in the auto dimming. See the goop? Goop is all sloshy, like water. It's when you get the crack in the frame like this, the goop leaks out. That's what seals it in. Goop on finger. Brand new ones are like $500. Not fun. Got this off of eBay. It's a good used one. I think I paid $150 including shipping. From Latvia. So it's held on by, let me put this camera down. These little clips around the circumference, the round part. And there's a little plug-in connector here, and then one other one up here. So to pop it off, take your mirror, push it all the way to the outer side, and you can see the clips back in there. I'm going to use a hook tool, a pick tool. You can see back in there, there's the little arm. That was easy. Pull on that to disconnect it, and then you're just going to go around the circumference. I'm going to need both hands. Pop it off. I should be able to wiggle this far enough. And unhook the top one. There we go. And now on the back side, I should be able to reach in there and push the other one off. Sorry, I'm doing this kind of one-handed with the camera in the other. Anyway, I'm just going to push this little clip off on the other side. There it came. I think there's one more. It should wiggle off. Don't make the sound of plastic breaking. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to let this dangle. So you can see now here's the little hookup for that one single wire and the plug there. And merely reattach this little one, the little plug, and push it back on. It will clip back on over here. If you have some really, really thin liquid sealant, I would recommend pouring it all down around the circumference inside between the black plastic and the mirror casing to keep that sealed in. Anyway, let's unplug this and we'll take a look at it in a second. Okay, so there's the two connectors unplugged. I simply use that pick tool to pull them apart. And hello! You can see this goop. That is the liquid crystal display, liquid crystal that turns dark to make it an auto dimming mirror. We're simply going to plug it back in and Bob's your uncle. That's it. Nice and done. Simple, simple, simple. 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Okay, with the mirror I actually silicone sealed the outside using a black, actually it's a 2-minute instant gasket maker. It's for returning vehicles to service instantly. It's Permatex Permatex something. I don't know if anyone's going to use it. Another product that might work well in there is the stone chip repair, that acrylic that's really, really liquidy. If you poured that in and let it seep around the edges and then left it out in the sunlight for an hour or so, it would probably also seal very well. Because that what seemed to happen, the black plastic molding cracks. I guess it gets water behind there and then freezes in the winter. So I caulked it up or sealed it up so it can't get water back there and expand when it freezes. Anyway, the guy that sent me this part, I'm so impressed. I paid for it. This isn't some paid promotion thingy. I paid for the part, and he shipped it. And it was like in a week and a half, and the price was ridiculously good, including shipping, and all the way from Latvia, ridiculously well boxed and packaged, blah, blah, blah. And he seems to have a ton of stuff for G-Wagons, used parts on eBay, so I'm going to link him down in the description. He doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to link him. And hopefully there's some other good parts there if I ever need them in the future, but I was really impressed with the service. Anyway, just got to pop this on, and thanks for watching. That's about it.